Now we discuss the numerical problem. First numerical problem is the half-life of nitrogen is 7.3 seconds. A sample of this nuclei of nitrogen is observed for 29.2 seconds. Calculate the fraction of the original isotope remaining after this time. So the half-life of nitrogen, that is the 7.3 second. Half-life is 7.3 second. Sample is observed. Sample is observed 29.2 second. Calculate the fraction of isotope. Here we calculate the fraction of the isotope. So here the half-life, we take the nitrogen, that the original sample, we take N naught, sample remaining is N. So original sample is N naught, that half-life is 7.3 second. After first half-life, original atom is become half of this. Original sample become half of the sample after 7.3 second. Then if 7.3 second double time when pass, then it become 14.6 second. After 14.6 second, it become half of this sample. Half of this is become 9 naught by n naught by 4. So then we pass another 7.3 second, time become 21.9 second, and the element become half of the 1/8. Sample is observed 29.2. So again the 7.3 time is pass when the original element is n naught by 8 is 22, 29. 29 by 2 second is pass. The sample remaining is n naught by 16. So we calculate the fraction, that is the n naught, n by n naught is become 1 by 16. Element with half-life of 5.25 years. What fraction of the original sample will be left after 26 years? So here the cobalt 60 half-life is 5.25 years. We calculated the fraction of the original sample will be left after 26 years. So n naught is the original sample, n is the remaining sample. So here we calculate the n. Original sample is n naught. After first half-life, that is the 5.25 year, original sample become the half of this. Then after 5.25 year, may after become is 10.5 year, sample become the half of this. Then n naught by 4, इसमें ऐड करेंगे 5.25 ईयर, 10.5 में तो हमारे पास बन जाएगा 15.75 ईयर्स. Sample become n naught by 8. Again we add the 5.25 year in 15.75 year, we get 21 year. After 21 year, sample become half of this, it's become n naught by 16. N naught by 16. 21 we add the 5.25 year, we get the 26.2 year. So sample become half of this, it become n naught by 32. So remaining element is n is equal to n naught by 32. We calculate the fraction n naught by n naught is equal to 1 by 32. That is the answer. Now we calculate the numerical problem. Carbon 14 has a half-life of 5730 year. Half-life is 5730 year. How long will it take for carbon 14 drop to 1 by 8 of the initial quantity? Here the n naught is the initial quantity, n is the remaining quantity. So we get the 1 by 8 sample after this year. This half-life is n naught, original sample of the carbon 14. After first half-life, that is the 5730 year, sample become half of this n naught by 2. Then after we add the 5730 year, again it is the double year pass, though the 11460 year passes, sample become half of this. We calculate the 1 by 8. So again the 570 year added to this year, so we get the 17190 year, that is the sample become n naught by 8. So 17190 year, half life after 1/8 of the initial sample of carbon-14. So 17190 here is answer. Now we discuss the technetium-99 is a radioactive element and is used to diagnose brain. This element has half-life is 6 hours. If there is 200 milligram technetium is present, how much will be left in 36 hours? So here the half-life of technetium is 99 is 6 hours. The original sample is given 200 milligram. How much left after 36 hours? We calculate it. So here the original sample that is given the 200 milligram. Half-life that is the 6 hours. After 6 hours, it become half of this sample. It become 100 milligram. Then after second half-life, we add the 6 to it that it become the 12 hour. We again divide this original sample that become the 50 milligram. We calculate 36 hours, so we again calculate this 50 milligram. After 12 hours, we add again the half-life that is 6 hours. It become 18 hours. Again, we divide this 50 milligram. We get the 25 milligram. Then again, after 6 hours past 18 hours, we add the 6 hours, we get the 24 hours. Again, we divided this original sample, we get the 25, become half is 12.5 milligram. 12.5 milligram. 36 hours passed, so again we add 6 to 24 hours, we get the 30 hours. Again, we divided this original sample, we get the 6.25 milligram. Then we add the 6 hours again of this time, we get the 36 hours. Again, we half of this original sample, if we get the 3.125 milligram. So 3.125 milligram will be left after 36 hours. The half-life of radioactive element is 10 minutes. So here we write half-life is 10 minutes. If the initial count rate is 368 count per minute, initial count rate is 368 count per minute. Find the time for which the count rate become 23 count per minute. So here we take the initial count rate that is 368 count per minute. So after first half life that is given 10 minutes, become half of this count rate, that is become the 184 count per minute. So we calculate 23 count per minute. So here 184 count per minute. Again 10 minutes half life is pass. Again we divide it. 10 minutes half life is become the 20 half life. 20 after 20 minutes it become the 92 count per minute. 92 count per minute. Again the 10 minutes is past 20, we add 10, we get the 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, again the half of this count rate, it become the 46 count per minute. Then 46 count per minute. Again 10 minutes is passed, so it become the 40 minutes. Become half of this 46 minutes, it become the 23 count per minute. So we calculate the 23 count per minute. How much the time is passed after 23 count minute, it become the 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, it become 23 count per minute. Now we discuss the last problem, that is the ashes from a campfire tip in a cave show carbon-14 activity is only 1/8 of the activity of the fresh wood. How long ago was the campfire made? So carbon-14, that half-life, we know that is the 5730 here. Let's suppose original sample of wood, we take the N0. So we take the 1/8 of this original sample. So original sample is N0. After 5730 here, it become half of this sample, it become N0/2. Then again we add the another 5730 here passes. Add to this we get 11460 here passes. The sample become half of this sample, it become the N0/4. Then after 5730 here, we add to this, we get the 17190 here pass. We again the half of this sample, we get the N0/8. So 1/8 of the original sample will be left after 1790 here. So here we write 17190 year ago when campfire made.